Hey, Ivan,
Yeah,
how are you?
good. How about you?
Good.
No. That's the wrong way to make a handshake. Let me teach you, okay? Let's breathe with each other by our elbows.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. Take a seat.
Thank you.
One more thing. You wear your mask wrong. This is the wrong way to do it, you know? It won't protect you, also it can protect your friends, your people, your relatives.
Okay.
So let me teach you how to wear it properly. Okay, take it off. Now, this is supposed to not the right way to do it. Stop it. And let me show you the right way. So first, you only take it, the string. Don't touch the surface. Don't touch it, okay? Because there's bacteria, there's a virus in your snail. Okay, you will get it infected. So take the string instead. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. And take it on.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Good. And then stitch. Yeah. Good. And close it. Good. Okay. So this is the right way to do it. Got it? Very simple.
Yeah.
Remember, never use your hands, your fingers, especially to touch the mask. You will get the mask, how to say, infected, right? So, one more thing I want to teach you is that before you eating, before you use your hand touch your face, you should use a sanitizer to wash your hands first, okay? And now I'm teaching you how. So put your hands up. And this is a sample of sanitizer with 75% of alcohol inside. So it can help you to kill 99% of bacteria and virus. It's very effective. So put your hands up and give it a few chops like this. Okay, enough. Okay, got it. Then wash your hands like this. Yeah, and this. And this. Yeah. Right. Okay. So now all the bacteria and the virus is there. So it's safe. Your finger is safe now. So don't do it wrong, because now it's a dark time for people from around the world. We should know how to protect ourselves and also how to protect people around us. Okay? Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
You make a small mistake again. You know, the handle, there's a lot of people touching it every day. So there's a lot of bacteria and viruses on it. So for better protect yourself, if you have a glove, then wear it. Wear a glove to touch it. If you don't have a glove, just use a hand sanitizer. Just bring a small bottle of hand sanitizer with you. And then when you go in or go out, when you need to touch the handle, you just spray some on it like this. Then it's done, it's safe. So you can close it naturally. Bye-bye. Okay.
Hello guys,
Hello.
my name is Sudais.
My name is Evan.
Yeah.
So we are from
Online college.
And please subscribe
to our channel.
Yeah, because we will have lot of free courses for you in the upcoming future. Yeah. So see you.
See you guys.